These networks consist of interconnected nodes or artificial neurons that process and transmit information. Each node receives input, processes it, and passes the output to the next layer of nodes. By adjusting the strength of the connections between these nodes, neural networks can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks. This process, known as training, involves adjusting the weights of the connections to minimize errors and improve performance. By adjusting the strength of the connections between these nodes, neural networks can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks, from image recognition and natural language processing to playing complex games like chess and Go. These tasks require the network to learn intricate patterns and relationships within the data, enabling it to make accurate predictions and decisions. The success of neural networks in these areas has demonstrated their versatility and power. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses deep neural networks with multiple layers of processing units, has further accelerated progress in AI. These deep networks are capable of learning hierarchical representations of data, extracting increasingly abstract and complex features. Each layer in a deep neural network builds upon the previous one, allowing the system to understand data at multiple levels of abstraction. These deep networks are capable of learning hierarchical representations of data, extracting increasingly abstract and complex features. This hierarchical learning process enables deep learning models to excel in tasks that require a high level of understanding and abstraction. For example, in image recognition, early layers might detect simple features like edges and textures, while later layers recognize more complex structures like objects and scenes. This has led to breakthroughs in areas like computer vision, natural language understanding, and machine translation, enabling machines to perform these tasks with an accuracy that rivals or even surpasses human capabilities. The ability to understand and interpret visual and textual data has opened up new possibilities for AI applications, from autonomous vehicles to advanced language translation services. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to transform industries and improve our daily lives becomes increasingly apparent. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI seem almost limitless. Advances in machine learning and neural networks continue to push the boundaries of what machines can achieve. From revolutionizing healthcare with personalized treatments, to transforming transportation with autonomous vehicles, AI is poised to reshape every aspect of our lives. Imagine a world where AI systems can predict and prevent diseases before they manifest, or where smart cities optimize energy use and reduce waste based on real-time data. These innovations promise to make our lives more efficient, convenient, and sustainable. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rapid advancement of AI technology raises important ethical considerations. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for bias in AI systems. Because these systems learn from data, they can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases present in the data. This can lead to unfair outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Ensuring that AI systems are transparent and accountable is crucial. Developers must strive to create algorithms that are not only accurate but also fair and unbiased. This requires a diverse team of data scientists, ethicists, and domain experts working together to identify and mitigate potential biases. Another significant concern is the impact of AI on employment. While AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries, it may also displace workers in certain sectors. Preparing the workforce for this transition is essential, with an emphasis on education and retraining programs to equip individuals with the skills needed in an AI-driven economy. Privacy is another critical issue. As AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, protecting individuals' privacy becomes increasingly important. Robust data protection regulations and practices must be in place to ensure that personal information is used responsibly and securely. Pause 2S. The ethical use of AI also extends to its applications in warfare and surveillance. Autonomous weapons and mass surveillance systems pose significant risks if not carefully regulated. International cooperation and agreements are necessary to establish guidelines and boundaries for the responsible use of AI in these areas. The future of AI holds tremendous promise, but it also requires careful consideration of the ethical implications. By addressing these challenges proactively, we can harness the power of AI to create a better, more equitable world. The choices we make today will shape the future of AI and its impact on society for generations to come. Pause 3S. As we continue to innovate and explore the frontiers of AI, let us do so with a commitment to ethical principles and a vision for a future where technology serves the greater good. By fostering collaboration between humans and AI, we can unlock new potentials in education and beyond. AI can also play a crucial role in environmental conservation, helping us address some of the most pressing global challenges. In the creative industries, AI is already making waves, collaborating with artists to push the boundaries of creativity. Even in space exploration, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool, assisting astronauts in analyzing vast amounts of space data. In agriculture, AI is optimizing farming practices, ensuring food security and sustainable production. The financial sector is also benefiting from AI, with AI managing investments and analyzing market trends. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases and aiding in medical research, paving the way for personalized medicine and improved patient care. In transportation, AI is optimizing traffic and logistics, contributing to the development of smart cities and efficient urban planning. In cybersecurity, AI is protecting data and detecting threats, ensuring the safety and security of our digital world. In manufacturing, AI is enhancing production lines and quality control, leading to smarter factories and more efficient production processes. In retail, AI is transforming customer service and personalized shopping experiences, revolutionizing e-commerce and supply chain management. In entertainment, AI is enhancing gaming and virtual reality experiences, creating more immersive and interactive media. In social media, AI is moderating content and fostering online communities, improving digital communication and social networking. In the legal industry, AI is assisting in legal research and law enforcement, streamlining case management and legal analysis. In public safety, AI is enhancing emergency response and disaster management, ensuring better crisis management and public health outcomes. In sports, AI is analyzing athlete performance and sports analytics, contributing to more effective training programs and game strategies. In tourism, AI is enhancing travel planning and hospitality, providing personalized travel experiences and improved customer service. In the energy sector, AI is optimizing renewable energy and energy management, contributing to more efficient and sustainable energy solutions. In telecommunications, AI is optimizing networks and communication technology, paving the way for advancements in 5G and beyond. In fashion, AI is influencing design and trend analysis, revolutionizing the fashion industry and retail experiences. In the food industry, AI is ensuring food safety and enhancing culinary arts, contributing to better food production and restaurant management. In real estate, AI is transforming property management and smart homes, providing more efficient and automated living spaces. In logistics and supply chain, AI is optimizing operations and efficiency, ensuring timely and cost-effective delivery of goods. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care and medical research, paving the way for personalized medicine and improved diagnostics. In education, AI is enhancing learning and teaching experiences, providing personalized and adaptive educational tools. In finance, AI is managing investments and financial planning, ensuring better market analysis and risk management. In entertainment, AI is enhancing gaming and virtual reality experiences, creating more immersive and interactive media. In social media, AI is moderating content and fostering online communities, improving digital communication and social networking. In the legal industry, AI is assisting in legal research and law enforcement, streamlining case management and legal analysis. In public safety, AI is enhancing emergency response and disaster management, ensuring better crisis management and public health outcomes. In sports, AI is analyzing athlete performance and sports analytics, contributing to more effective training programs and game strategies. In tourism, AI is enhancing travel planning and hospitality, providing personalized travel experiences and improved customer service. In the energy sector, AI is optimizing renewable energy and energy management, contributing to more efficient and sustainable energy solutions. In telecommunications, AI is optimizing networks and communication technology, paving the way for advancements in 5G and beyond. In fashion, AI is influencing design and trend,